So today's lesson's on the Ratamacue. Let's get into it. Alright then, so as you can tell, I'm a bit Fred Durst-esque today. If you don't know who Fred Durst is, then you've probably been living under a rock. Basically, lead singer of Limp Bizkit. If you don't know who he is, check him out. Check the band out. Absolutely brilliant band. Okay, so today's lesson, we're doing the Ratamacue. Okay, as usual, I'll pop the music down below. The Ratamacue starts with a drag, so we'll just quickly go through that first. So your drag is just a bounce basically with your right hand or your left hand. It's normally followed by a single note. Okay, so if you just get used to bouncing the stick. It's better if you get used to actually controlling it with your fingers. So you get the double bounce with the fingers rather than just letting the stick bounce, because sometimes you might get 3 strokes, sometimes you might get 4, sometimes you might only get 1. So we control it with the fingers. Okay. So the Ratamacue is a drag followed by 4 strokes. And the last one is accented. So as you can see by the music, it's that little arrow above the note, so that you play that louder than all the others, okay? So I'm going to start with a left hand drag. Okay, so it's a drag, then followed by 4 notes. Drag, 1, 2, 3, 4. And they'll alternate with the last one being loud. So I'll do a right hand drag. Okay, left hand. And right hand. Okay, so it is one of the rudiments. I know I keep harking on and barking on about these rudiments. They are very important. As you can probably tell with this one, you know, you can just use it by itself. And there's your filling. So it's nice and easy. You can move your right hand around as you do it. So you could go drag, time 1, snare, time 2, snare, okay? And you've got a nice little fill in there, just all by itself. You could use it to start a beat. You could use it you could use it at the start of a filling and then ad-lib the rest. You could use it in part of a beat. Depending on how you want to do it. You can also, as with all these, remember, you can change the sticking if you want to. A lot of people say sticking is set in stone, that's what makes it a rudiment, but for application purposes and using it around the kit, you know, feel free to change these things and what works best for you. I mean, as long as you get the sound, you know, that's all we're really looking for. Purists would say it has to be the sticking, so the drag, right, left, But I mean, if you need to do a double right or a double left, whatever, you can add those in if you want to. So I'll go through it again nice and slow. So drag, right, left, and right hand lead with the drag, right, left, right. Okay, so that's basically all there is to it. So it's a nice short little lesson for you. As I said, something that will come in really handy. Even just get used to doing your drags. I will touch on quickly, there is a double Ratamacue and a triple Ratamacue. So it's just adding in, when you do that, you just add in extra drags. And same with the right. And as I said, there's a triple as well. So, I mean, you could do as many as you want to, but they are set rudiments. So yeah, so I hope that lesson's helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, it is a really quick lesson today. If you could, please like, subscribe and hit that bell, that would be great. I do try to release quite regularly. If you comment and like as well, that would, you know, if you could leave a comment, that would really help. It just helps push me up the algorithm so I can get to more people, help more people out, give them quality free drum lessons There's so many people out there that claim to be good, claim to teach drum lessons, and they can't actually play themselves. And they give misinformation, and you just end up with loads of people learning the wrong stuff. So if you could help me move me up there so I can get to as many people as possible, that would be great. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.